Chemical properties of hydrogen sulfide. Number 1, it burns with blue flame in oxygen. This is hydrogen sulfide gas reacting with oxygen to produce water, and sulfur is deposited. This is when the supply of oxygen is limited. If oxygen supply is in excess, instead of sulfur, we will have sulfur 4 oxide. Number 2, it neutralizes alkalis to form both normal and acid salt. This is the alkali sodium hydroxide reacting with hydrogen sulfide gas, and the product here is sodium sulfide, which is the normal salt, and water is also produced. This also happens when the supply of the alkalis is in excess. Normal salt is produced. If the supply of the alkalis is limited, an acid salt will be produced instead of this normal salt. Hydrogen sulfide gas as a reducing agent. The first is it reduces conc tetraosulfate 6 to sulfur. We have hydrogen sulfide, we have tetraosulfate 6 acid, water is produced, and sulfur is reduced to 0 oxidation state. Next, it reduces conc nitric acid to give brown fumes of nitrogen 2 oxide. This is a hydrogen sulfide gas reacting with conc triazonitrate 5 acid. We have water, and this is the brown nitrogen 4 oxide. Sulfur is also deposited. Next, reaction with potassium permanganate. If hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a solution of potassium tetraoxide manganese 7, acidified potassium tetraoxide manganese 7, what happens is the oxidation state of manganese is reduced from +7 to +2. That is what happened. Next, the purple color of potassium tetraoxide manganese 7 is reduced to colorless manganese 2, and then sulfur is again deposited. The reaction of hydrogen sulfide gas with sulfur 4 oxide produces water, and sulfur is deposited. Sulfur gets reduced to oxidation state of 0. Next is reaction with iron 3 chloride. When hydrogen sulfide is passed through iron 3 chloride, iron 3 gets reduced to iron 2. We have iron 3 here reacting with hydrogen sulfide gas, and the product is iron 2 chloride, sulfur and HCl. Now, there is color change again. Iron 3 is yellow, while iron 2 is green. The color changes from yellow to green, and the oxidation state changes from 3 to +2, from +3 to +2.